What is that hands? What is that hands?
It's Spider-Man
Hands.
hand.
Wow, what is that?
And you got it.
Glow in the dark?
It's a Spider-Man power. A Spider-Man power is legit. And this is our project of the hand. So it pull the hand.
Sige na. You
Now tell the story now.
A boy named
What's the name?
the
Tael!
boy.
Tael, 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 Tael.
Okay, listen. We're listening na, Dada. Sige na.
Kiki na dada.
Ha?
Kiki na, tell the story na.
Flag, I cannot see you.
Tell the story na,
Where's
Dada.
Kael? I cannot see Kael.
What? That.
That's
There. One day, there was a boy named Kael
what?
who goes to his piggy bank and put.
Eh?
So, today, Kael puts coin. And then, one day, the coin, the piggy bank, very heavy. Very, very. And before that, his
Dada,
dada go out to
How
work.
about you buy a
Is that the
dumplings
same?
na lang? Because my favorite is dumplings, man. Because wait, it's dumplings.
Look at the face of Dada, oh.
Ah! Chili dada ho, how about chili pig?
Hindi mo nang reason out, babe. Ano nang reason out?
Kabulugan ni, no. Unang magtigil dyan
Kabalo,
na
Hmm? Now tell me now.
That is kabalo.
What do you mean by kabalo?
I will give you...
Oh.
No. We will see if we will buy Badam truck or the quad bike. Because quad bike, man, we can go to the Bukit.
Yeah, that's
I like that.
You can
How
do
Like
about
that?
tamsiak na lang?
Huh?
Ayan, tamsiak na lang. Because my favorite is tamsiak. Because my boy need tamsiak. But,
What if I put dump truck? I will put the dump truck in the quad bike.
do count it for big boy.
You want a dump truck for Dada?
No, because you are a big boy. But big boy, you have a dumb,
Sino yung big boy?
do count.
Hmm?
Do count big boy, you have do count young.
What do you mean daw by big boy? Said Dada, asked Dada. What do you mean by big boy? Adult?
Yeah,
Or
Adult.
fat boy?
a fat boy and a big goat.
What?
A fat boy and a big,
Adult?
a big
What is your
goat.
video?
Yeah.
Ha? Naman good among video.
Oh. There you go.
Dada, do you want to see my coin?
What? I want to see your piggy bank heavy. Is your piggy bank heavy na?
Yeah, but do you want to see my coin heavy in the piggy bank? This is my
Yes, I want-
my piggy bank.
Yes, show me your piggy bank heavy, ha? If the piggy bank is heavy, Dada will be very, very happy.
Yeah.
And if Dada will be very, very happy, Dada will build many, many toys. And
Wow!
if I have many, many toys,
Did you have
Kyle will
many
be very,
toys?
very happy. And if Kyle's very, very be happy, and then Mama will be very, very happy. And if Mama is very, very happy, then Dada will be very, very happy.
We are all be very, very happy.
Yeah, I will all
Okay.
be very happy.
So you have to
Okay, again I say, if Kyle's piggy bank is very, very heavy, who will be very happy?
Dada and Mama.
And if Dada is very happy, who will he buy many toys?
Dada.
Kael. He will buy many toys to Kael or
Dada
Kael.
will buy.
And if Kyle has many toys, who is gonna be very, very happy?
And Nova and Mama and Dada.
Oh, yeah. And if Kyle is very, very happy, who will be very...
Happy it's Mama.
Yes, if Mama is very... Who will be very, very happy also?
Mama and Dada.
Dada. Yes. So, my lit, you put many coins there, ha?
Yes, Dada.
Yeah. Yes, my little broccoli Dada.
I am the broccoli. You are the carrot. Carrot
Mama eat the apple. Nana eat the tomato.
Tomato.
What? Yesterday, banana, now tomato.
How about Nana turn to a tomato?
No.
My idea is
We
tomato.
kill ya.
My idea is tomato.
We tomato.
Mama
Why
apple.
Dada is broccoli?
Why is Dada broccoli?
Nobody.
Because big boy need broccoli. And only big boy
Ah,
need broccoli.
how about Lola Ina, Lola Gina, Kamunggay,
Lula
si
Lina.
Kamunggay.
Lula Lina mana?
Mingo.
Lola Rina is Paxio.
Oh, Yulaina.
Oh, Ina is food. What is Dada be?
When Dada is a food, what is Dada daw?
Broccoli.
O food man, food.
Ay.
Kasi atay.
If Kael is food, Kael is spaghetti.
What is Dada?
Kael is
When Dada is a food, what is Dada?
spaghetti.
Atay.
Atay!
Atay! Dada is atay. How about Mama? What is Mama? Kanon.
Kanon.
Yes.
How about Kael?
How about you?
I'm
Rice. Ay, chicken.
the chicken. Kael.
You're the chicken? If Dada is a superhero, who is Dada?
Dada will be a superhero. And who will be Dada?
The Potoyo superhero.
Pocoyo superhero daw.
You will be the
Who am
Potoyo superhero.
Pocoyo, superhero daw.
What super?
The super Pocoyo.
And
Oh.
I will be
Super Pocoyo.
I will be the pato. The super pato. And
Pocoyo.
Mama will be
Ito na.
the Tupolina.
Huh?
Mama will be a Tupolina.
Super Lina?
Yeah.
That's Lula Lina?
No. Lina is a gin.
Ah, yeah. That's Lina.
Yeah.
Pocoyo, Dada.
And
It's
no,
a
now you are
Spanish
a
king
a
koy.
Tupolina.
Yeah.
Tupolina.
It's
Now
a
I will show you Tupolina.
super Pocoyo.
And the super pato.
And super Pato.
What?
I love you.
I love you, Lina.
Ay, murag ka ng
Say I love you,
treehouse dito sa
Say I love you.
Parintahan natin.
Say I love
Ano
you.
da?
Say I love you. Photo you.
I love you, Pocoyo.
Say I love you to photo you again.
I love you, Pocoyo.
I love you, super Pocoyo. Unsa da? Unsa
Ay,
yung
is na na Pocoyo.
Why is Dada become Pocoyo man?
Because boy ika photo you.
Pocoyo.
Muna iyang favorite ba kana si Pocoyo. Magtanaw siya og TV.